Have you ever dreamed of hitting the open road, venturing into the wild, and setting up camp anywhere you desire, but without the hassle of towing a giant RV or driving a bulky camper van? What if I told you that the future of compact, sustainable, and incredibly innovative travel is already here? Introducing the mind-blowing Camper Tricycle RV, a game-changing marvel that combines mobility, sustainability, and the coziness of a tiny home, all in one compact, head-turning package. This is not your typical camper. Imagine a sleek, futuristic tricycle not much larger than a motorbike, equipped with everything you'd expect from a full-size RV. Yes, you heard that right. This three-wheeled wonder is redefining what it means to explore the great outdoors. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for adventure, or simply someone who loves ingenious engineering, this camper tricycle is bound to blow your mind. Let's start with the design. At first glance, it looks like a cross between a high-performance electric scooter and a sci-fi inspired vehicle from the future. It's aerodynamic, lightweight, and incredibly compact, making it perfect for navigating urban streets, winding country roads, or even off-road trails. The tricycle design gives it the perfect balance, literally. With two wheels at the back and one at the front, it provides stability without sacrificing agility. And don't let its size fool you. It's built tough, with high-quality materials that can handle everything from rugged terrains to unexpected weather conditions. What really sets this camper tricycle apart, though, is how much functionality is packed into such a small footprint. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife on wheels. Need a place to sleep? Check. The camper module unfolds into a surprisingly spacious sleeping area that comfortably fits one or two people. Need a kitchen? No problem. It features a compact kitchenette, complete with a small stove, a sink, and even a mini fridge. How about storage? You've got multiple compartments cleverly hidden throughout the design for your gear, clothes, and essentials. Some models even include solar panels, ensuring you can charge your devices and power your appliances without ever needing to plug in. And get this, some versions of this tricycle RV also include a pop-up roof. Imagine parking in the middle of a forest, flipping a switch, and suddenly having a cozy loft space with a view of the stars. It's like having a treehouse on wheels. The attention to detail in these designs is truly remarkable. Everything is optimized for space and efficiency, with foldable tables, retractable beds, and modular furniture that transforms depending on your needs. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the camper tricycle truly shines. Most models are electric, powered by state-of-the-art lithium-ion batteries that give you an impressive range on a single charge. We're talking anywhere from 50 to 150 miles, depending on the model and terrain. And for those long journeys, some tricycles come with regenerative braking systems, which help extend your range by converting braking energy back into usable power. Plus, they're whisper quiet so you can explore nature without disturbing the peace. For eco-conscious travelers, this is a dream come true. Not only does the electric powertrain produce zero emissions, but the integration of solar panels means you're harnessing renewable energy to fuel your adventures. It's a sustainable way to travel that aligns perfectly with the growing demand for greener alternatives. You can feel good about reducing your carbon footprint while still enjoying the freedom of the open road. And speaking of freedom, let's not overlook how accessible these camper tricycles are. Unlike traditional RVs or camper vans, which can cost a small fortune, these tricycles are relatively affordable. Prices vary depending on the model and features, but you're looking at a fraction of the cost of a standard camper. Plus, they're cheaper to maintain, easier to park, and don't require a special license to drive. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone just dipping their toes into the world of camping, this makes the Tricycle RV an excellent entry point. But what's it actually like to travel in one? Picture this. You're cruising along a scenic coastal road, the wind in your hair and the sun setting over the horizon. You spot a quiet spot by the beach, pull over, and within minutes your camper tricycle transforms into a cozy little campsite. You cook up a quick meal on the kitchenette, settle into your sleeping area, and drift off to the sound of waves crashing nearby. The next morning you wake up, pack up, and continue your journey, all without the hassle of setting up and tearing down a bulky campsite. It's this simplicity and flexibility that make the camper tricycle so appealing. You're not tied to RV parks or campgrounds. You can explore hidden trails, venture into remote locations, or even navigate through busy city streets with ease. It's about reclaiming the joy of travel, where the journey itself is just as exciting as the destination. But let's not forget the fun factor, because driving one of these things is an absolute blast. The lightweight design and electric motor give it a zippy, responsive feel, making every ride an adventure. And thanks to the Tricycle's compact size, you can weave through traffic, take sharp turns, and park in spaces that would be impossible for a traditional RV. It's like having a tiny house and a high-tech scooter rolled into one. Of course, like any innovation, the camper Tricycle isn't without its challenges. Space is limited, so it's not ideal for families or those who need a lot of gear. And while the electric range is impressive, it might not be sufficient for long-distance trips without charging stops. But for many travelers, these are small trade-offs compared to the freedom, affordability, and sheer cool factor of owning a camper Tricycle. The best part? This is just the beginning. As more people embrace the concept of micro-mobility and sustainable travel, we're likely to see even more advancements in camper Tricycle technology. Imagine future models with extended ranges, faster charging times, and even smarter features like app-controlled systems or autonomous driving capabilities. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for adventure is off the charts. So, whether you are a weekend warrior, a digital nomad, or simply someone who loves the idea of hitting the road with everything you need in tow, the camper Tricycle RV is an innovation you can't ignore. It's a bold, brilliant solution for the modern traveler, a perfect blend of practicality, sustainability, and pure wanderlust. If you're as amazed by this concept as I am, let me know in the comments below. Would you try one of these camper Tricycles for your next adventure? Or maybe you already have a favorite feature that caught your eye. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more mind-blowing innovations, and share it with anyone who loves unique travel ideas. Who knows, your next great adventure might just be on 3 wheels.